I'm sorry, I didn't hear you come in. Oh, what am I working on? Today I'm working on one of life's lessons. That's right. Oh, you thought it was a fiberglass dune buggy body. No, this is a life lesson. When somebody calls you and says, "Hey, Don, do you do fiberglass repairs?" The proper way to answer that is, "Well, I'm not sure. Why do you ask?" So you don't get yourself into something like this. Old busted up, beat up, oh my God, 1942 fiberglass dune buggy body. That needs everything. Well, you know, chin up. Got to take the good with the bad. I'm getting after it. Sanding it down, pulled all the hardware out of it. Windshield wipers, everything, it's gone, it's stripped. So, you know, if you want to follow along, see how this thing turns out, leave a comment down below. Let me know. If not, then I'll just resume this when we get to the fun part, like painting it or something like that. But it's going to be a couple weeks. All right, thanks for joining me.